Toyota is committed to providing safety for everyone. This means that your new Toyota is well equipped with the latest technology to ensure that you and your passengers are safe when driving around Birmingham, Alabama. Here are the top 3 safety features that are available with a new Toyota. A new Toyota is built with an impact-absorbing structure, which is designed to obtain impact with high efficiency while keeping you safe in its durable cabin. Another feature is stability control. This feature detects sideways motion and will activate once a vehicle begins to slide in difficult roadways. And finally, pre-collision technology. Toyota is equipped with the pre-collision system, which uses radar technology to detect close encounters with other vehicles and automatically apply the brakes and retract seatbelts to ensure optimal safety. When it comes to safety, Toyota has what it takes to keep you and your family safe. So stop by Limbaugh Toyota today for a test drive.